What's up? Just to get this straight, Cody will not be in any more videos because I kicked him. But he did have it coming. He farted like I was sleeping, and he came over and farted in my mouth. I swear to God, I could taste it. Yeah, I didn't like it much at all. I meant, yeah. So yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. So yeah. Okay. Bigfoot. Subscribe to not me, cause my channel sucks big ball sacks. Yeah. So, Yeah. My voice sounds more like this, but it sounds like this on camera, and it sucks big balls. Harry. Anyway. Yeah, kind of kills the whole, fun. Yeah. Bye, I guess. Okay, I don't know. It's okay. I bet no one can get this. Twisms. Wait, no. Wait, I didn't do that right. Wait. Twisms or something like that. Twisms.